Powered by NationalLink.
On the welcome or out of service screen, press, enter, clear, cancel, 1, 2, 3, and press OP to log into the ATM with your master password. Select ATM OP. Select System Setup. Select Device Setup. Select ATM TCP IP Setup. Make sure TCP IP mode is set to Static IP. Select Change IP Address. Input 192.168.191. Select Change Subnet Mask. Input 255.255.255.0. Select Change Default Gateway. Input 192.168.190. Make sure DNS is set to 8888. If there is DNS second, input 8844. Select Apply and Cancel out to the welcome screen.